Welcome to Meditation and Beyond. I hope you're having a lovely day. Do subscribe to our channel so you can be notified the moment a new video comes up. Today we'll be talking about meditation and how to do it. It's always been better to do meditation in the most innocent and raw manner. Meditations are all about trust in the process and trust in yourself. So there isn't any right or wrong meditation. It's all about your own exploration. It's about discovering yourself and how to use your attention and how to perceive it. Whenever I lead guided meditation in a group, it's amazing to see how different each one's experience is. It can be completely different than what I am thinking. The fact that I'm really not thinking of anything, because when I lead the guided meditation, I am literally meditating with you. I'm having my own experience. I sit down, I close my eyes and go with it and have my own experience. Of course, some of my knowledge comes into play, but there is something that happens that has nothing to do with anything that I have learned. True meditation and authentic meditation has nothing to do with our ideas or anything that has happened in the past. There isn't anything like a tradition. You can discover it in your own way. Meditation is all about your experience and what you feel meditation is. Meditation has always been about putting attention to something or about allowing thoughts to relax. If there isn't any particular focus, you can feel detached. It allows very deep, profound rest. Meditation is about focusing on something. So when we focus and when we have attention on, it creates a particular effect. When I first started teaching meditation, it required practice, and there was a technique and also a description on what would happen after the meditation. All very neat and clean and in a box. I did that practice for years. I taught that practice for years. But then I started to see that meditation can be so much more, that I could be aware of my own inner landscape and have different kinds of effects. Through these guided meditations, I want you to explore different kinds of themes, effects, feelings, so that we can broaden the concept of meditation more and more. All of life can be about meditation. In any moment, we can shift our attention to the way we are experiencing things, to the way we are perceiving things. Sometimes it is just about walking outside, or seeing a sunset or a sunrise, or seeing a flower, hearing a bird or a waterfall. Meditation happens all the time. We can learn to move on with and experience life in a whole different way. Meditation is about trust. Trust in yourself, trust in your life, in your experiencing and everything about you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You are so worth slowing down.